Okay, this is the first project in the series. I'm going to tell you what I want you to do, and then I want you to pause the video and try to do it on your own, and then I'll show you my solution for it. And that's how it's going to be for all the other projects. So the first thing I want you to do is make three variables and name them answer A, answer B, and answer C. I want you to make the value of answer A the answer of this question. Do you like milkshakes? This is a yes or no, so I want answer A to be equal to a boolean based on your answer of whether you like milkshakes or not. So the answer, I want this to be a boolean. Hopefully you remember what that is, a true or a false. To the question of do you like milkshakes? Make it equal to true if you do, make it equal to false if you don't. Answer B, I want you to set it equal to the answer of where would you like to travel to? And this is going to be a place, so that's more like text. So I want you to answer that, assign that as a string, whichever method you like. Answer C, I want you to assign this to the answer of an expression that is equal to 7. So it doesn't matter if you use addition, multiplication, even exponents, I don't know what you're up to. And I want you to make it equal to 7. You can do it as complicated or as simple as you want, as long as it boils down to something that is equal to 7. And this will be a number, of course. After you do all this, after you have answered those questions in the variables, I want you to print out each variable, like print out answer A, then B, then C. But I want you to wait 1 second in between each one. So pause the video now and try it on your own, and then I will show you my solution for it. So the first thing is to make three variables, answer A, and do I like milkshakes? I'll set that equal to true because I love milkshakes. Next part, answer B, and this is where would I like to travel to? I'd love to travel to a lot of places. I'll say Japan. Who doesn't want to go to Japan? And last one, answer C. Make that equal to an expression that boils down to 7 to 21 divided by 3. So that's what I wanted. Yours should look like this a little bit, hopefully, if I was clear. And now we have to print each one out. Print answer A, but we have to wait 1 whole second in between each one. And print answer B, and then wait 1 second again, and print answer C. And now we're gonna run it, and hopefully it prints out true Japan 7. Waiting 1 second in between each one. True Japan 7. And there we go. This is our first project, and there's a few more to go. I hope you did well with this and these videos are helping you. If you watched the other video, then we spent about an hour together, give or take. And I really hope these videos are helpful and you have a nice day.